Hello friends, today I, Tanya Alexander of Karunya University, will going to explain you a program, and the question for today's program is, the topic for today's program is implementation of singly linked list, and the question is, implement the following operation in a singly linked list: insertion operation at the front of the list, at the back of the list, and at any position in the list. Deletion of an element from the list, searching an element in the list, display all the elements in the list. So this is the question. Now we'll see the coding for this. So this is I hope it's visible for you. So first we'll start from hash include iostream, which is nothing but a header file, which is input output stream, and then using namespace std, which is I include all the standard library files, and then here I declared a node which data type of struct, and then inside struct I declared data, which data type of int, and then node space star link. Link is nothing but a pointer variable, and then to access this struct node, here we declare the star head, means pointer head, and then will come our coding. So here void insert front. So first we'll see the insertion at the front. So here is node pointer new underscore node equal to new node. This is nothing but we are creating a new node, and then cout enter the data to be inserted at the front, and then cin new underscore node pointer to data. New node is pointing towards the data and then new underscore node link equal to null. So we are initializing this new node to null, and then if head equal to null means this time there is no element in the linked list. Linked list is now empty, and then head equal to new node, else new node arrow link equal to head equal to new node, means this is nothing but we are creating a head, and we are initializing head equal to new node, and then this is all about the insertion at the front, and then we'll see insertion at the end. Here what we are doing is nothing but node new underscore node equal to new node, and then cout enter the data to be inserted at the end. Cin new underscore node data, then link equal to null, and then if head equal to null, then head equal to null node, then return. Else node star last equal to head, while last arrow link is not equal to null, then last equal to link arrow link, then last arrow link equal to new underscore node. This first if we want to insert any data at the end of the linked list, so we have to write this while loop, and then we will come at insert at the nth position, means in the entire linked list we can insert the data in middle of the linked list. So for this we are declaring an n, which data type of int, and then node star temp temp1. Temp is nothing but a temporary variable for storing a new data. So temp equal to new node, temp is nothing but my new node for storing the node, and then cout enter the data to be inserted, then cin, and then here the condition as same we did in before. So this is the cout statement, and if the user want to delete any data, then the user should type the node number, so that which I stored the node number in n. So by typing any node number, the data will be deleted of that position, of that particular position. And then for int I equal to 1, I greater than n minus 1, I plus plus. This is the for loop which will going to work for deletion of the data, And then if this is all done about this, then we'll see the void delete front. Now we'll see the deletion of the data. So first we'll see delete from the front, here node star new node we declared an struct also. So node underscore new node underscore node equal to new node, and then this is a condition. If head equal to null, then cout statement will be list is empty. Then return the data, the deleted data is, so whatever the user will type the node, that position, that data which is stored in that position will going to be deleted. So this is all. Now we'll see delete from the last. So in this, what will going to happen is node previous equal to head, then star last equal to head, means the address which is stored, the last the data of the last element, the address of the last element will be stored in the previous one. So now head is pointing towards the previous, and then that previous address of the last data will be deleted. So this is the deletion operation. And then we'll see the void delete nth node means we can delete any node from the middle of the linked list. So if head equal to null, this is the condition which we are using in all of the operations. So this also enter the node number, and then that node number will going to be deleted. So this is also the same for loop will going to work over here. Okay, now I will see the display node space star temp equal to head. If head equal to node, then the list is empty, otherwise or do. So do temp this data, temp equal to temp link, and then this is the while loop. So under main, head equal to none, this we have to declare. Then ch, because in this program I have used the menu driven operations. So for menu driven here, I declare ch, which data type of character, and then int op for operations. Op is nothing but operations. So under do, there are some cout statements, and then switch, these are some cases for insert front, insert at the nth position, insert at the end, and then delete front, delete nth node, delete last, display. And then invalid, if the user will type if the user will going to type any other options among those, then it will show the invalid entry. And then here while ch equal to y, for like do you wish to continue, then press yes, otherwise press any other key to exit. So that's all for the coding. Now we'll see the output. Yeah, so if I type 1, that is insert at front 1, enter, then they are asking enter the data to be inserted at the front, like 22, enter. Then y, because I want to continue. And then we'll see insert again, we'll see insert at the end, we'll see insert at the end. Then 3, enter, then some data, enter, y, enter. Now we'll see the display 7, enter. So here we are typing like 22 and 55, and then null, it is nothing but just a null element of the third position. And then again y, enter, and then we'll see second the nth position. So like we'll type for 2, 4, enter, node number like 2, enter, then yes, and then display 7. So which is like we type 24 at the second position, so the data of the second position will shift it to third position, and that 24 is inserted in the nth position, which is nothing but a second position. So now we'll see for now this is all about the insertion operation. Now we'll see the deletion operation. So deletion operation will see like 4, enter, so 22, that this is the front one which is deleted. So y, and then we'll see for nth position like 5, enter. They are asking for node number, so we'll type 1, enter. The deleted is, so first node means first position of the data will be deleted. So y, enter, and then we'll see the display 7. Okay, so this is nothing but this. Now again we'll continue, and then we'll see delete from the last, that is 6, enter. So this is enter. Now we'll see again. So if we again type 7 for displaying, it is, the list is empty, and then press any other key to exit or exit. That's all for the coding. Thank you so much.